Gardening with Soule in the land of El Sol. It's also in the land of the construction zone. We're in the middle of remodeling my office. Just a quick glimpse there. That's why the boards are there. Anyway, aloes, Perry's penstemon. There's some fruit on the barrel cactus. The Encelia or brittle bush are in bloom. And over there is the creosote bush in bloom. Now I'm going to make a video over on my Savor the Southwest site and going to talk about how to use the brittle bush, but we also need to make one on how to use those barrel fruits. Busy time in the garden. Thanks for watching.